Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about upcoming Kia EV9 car. Launch: it could launch in India by April 2025. Price: it is expected to have a starting price of 80 rupees lakh, ex-showroom. Battery, motor and range: the EV9 packs a large battery pack which can deliver a claimed range of up to 482 kilometers. It supports fast charging of up to 350 kilowatts and its battery can be juiced up from 0 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Features: inside the EV9, you'll see a 27-inch display which houses the infotainment touchscreen and digital driver's display, rotating seats and a panoramic sunroof. Safety: its safety net could include multiple airbags, electronic stability control (ESC), tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS), and rear parking sensors. Rivals: the EV9 will be a rival to the Mercedes-Benz EQB and the Volvo EX90. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.